How to fix Call of Duty Black Ops 7 crashing on Steam. First, you want to go to your Steam client and then right click on the game and then open up the properties window. Now go to installed files and click on verify the integrity of game files and wait for this process to finish checking. Now, once it's done, you want to go back to the general tab and under launch options, you want to add the following command, which is -dx11 without any spaces. Now you can close out of Steam. Next, you will need to update your GPU. So for NVIDIA GPUs, you will need NVIDIA app. Go to the drivers section, and then from here select Game Ready driver and download and install the latest version. You can also try to manually reinstall the latest version if you have it already installed by clicking this button here. Next, you will need to open up your browser and then search for Redist. Click on the first Microsoft link and then scroll down to the second table. Now make sure to download and install the 86 and the 64 versions of the redistributables. You can also repair the existing installation if you have them already. Next, you will need to disable your overlays if you're crashing as soon as you open up the game. So go to the settings in your NVIDIA app. Make sure to uncheck the NVIDIA overlay option right here. Next, you want to also disable Discord overlay. Go to settings, scroll down to game overlay, and then uncheck enable overlay. Next, you will also need to disable the Steam overlay. Click on the Steam button on the top left, and then go to settings and scroll to in-game, and then uncheck enable Steam overlay while in-game. Next, you will need to restart your system by clicking on the power button and then restart. Now, after the system restart, before launching the game again, you should run Steam as admin. Right click on Steam and run as admin. And then you can launch Black Ops 7, and that should fix the crashing problems generally. Now, if for some reason the crashing persists, try to uninstall the game by clicking on Manage and Uninstall and then reinstall it again. And this should fix the crashing issues. Thanks for watching and subscribe.